How to stop Outlook from repeatedly asking for password. So if you want to stop Outlook from repeatedly asking for passwords, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Outlook application. After opening, you need to just go with the top left, which has that file option, and then select the account settings. So click on the account settings, and under account settings, all you have to do is select the change button. The next move is to click on more settings in the following. The first, go with change, and under change, you'll have more settings, and under user identification, you'll have an option to check always prompt for logon credentials. Make sure that the option is turned on. You can go with next and done. Now you can just click on OK and then restart Outlook, and after that, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can stop Outlook from repeatedly asking for your password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.